In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Photoshop to the latest version. Keeping Photoshop up to date is important, not just for access to new features, but also for performance improvements and security fixes. The good news is that as long as you have the Creative Cloud desktop app installed, updating is very straightforward. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own computer. First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This is the hub where all of your Adobe applications are managed. If you're on Windows, you can usually find it from the Start menu or in the System tray. On a Mac, look for it in your Applications folder or the menu bar at the top of your screen. Once it's open, sign in with your Adobe account if you're not already logged in. You'll need to be signed in to see your apps and manage updates. After you're signed in, take a look at the left-hand side of the Creative Cloud window. You'll see a menu with several sections. Click on the one labeled Apps. This is where Creative Cloud shows you all of the Adobe applications that are installed on your device, as well as ones that are available to install. In the Apps section, scroll through the list until you find Photoshop. Each app appears as a tile with its name, icon, and current status. If there is an update available for Photoshop, you'll see a clear label under its name that says something like Update Available. If you don't see that label for Photoshop, your Photoshop might already be up to date. In the example shown here, the same process is demonstrated using Illustrator, but the steps are identical for Photoshop, so you can follow along the same way. When you see the Update Available label under Photoshop, click it. The interface will refresh to show you more details about the update. You'll typically see the app's name, the version number, and a brief description of what's new or improved in this release. This can be helpful if you want to know what changes you're about to install. To start the update, click the Update button. Creative Cloud will begin downloading and installing the latest version of Photoshop for you. During this time, it's best to avoid using Photoshop, and it can help to keep a stable internet connection so the download isn't interrupted. You'll see a progress bar showing you how far along the update is. Once the progress reaches 100% and the status changes back to open or up to date, you're done. Photoshop has now been successfully updated to the latest version. You can close the Creative Cloud app if you like, open Photoshop, and start working with the newest features and improvements right away.